I think you have it set up perfectly for educating someone like me who really did not have a lot of experience with RFPs or really knowing exactly what a proposal is supposed to do, what it's supposed to look like, how it's supposed to be set up, the kind of tips and tricks you gave as like, you have to read it, read everything, read it early, and make sure you set aside enough time to be able to ask your questions, follow the timeline that it has that's in the RFP. Just things that I wouldn't think to know, wouldn't think to, things that I wouldn't know that I didn't know in my first RFP, and kind of sitting there like, okay, like, how do I get started? You know, maybe I'll skim it, and then I can already see in my head that if I tried to do this by myself, it would be a last minute minutes before and being like, actually, I don't know what delivery assurance is. Like, what are they looking for in that? And then timeline, oh, I missed the pre-bid question, the Q&A. So it was a lot of things that, you know, you talked about that I think really filled in the gaps that I would have had if I tried to do my own research on this and tried to conquer the mountain myself. The idea of having a template in general, I think, is really helpful, especially for small businesses or businesses trying to first starting out. I think the order in which you presented everything was succinct and logical, in my sense. So you kind of answer the questions that would come up had I done this myself. So I think it was very filled in, and yeah, just logical, and yeah,